Let's get in Snehi, who joins in with that analysis. Snehi.
Well, yes, so if you take a look at the volatility that our markets have been seeing amid everything that's been happening back home and as well as globally, if there is one sector that has held its ground firmly over the last couple of weeks, it is the nifty FMCG sector. Now, if you take a look at some historical trends, we got our data from the last 20 years and we spotted two trends. First up, 4 times in the last 20 years, the index has given positive returns in the second half of the year after being negative in the first half, and these years are 2007, 2008, 2019 and 2020, and even in 2024 so far, just being 0.4% lower in the first half, it has inched a stellar recovery already in the second half of the year so far. Now, the second trend that we spotted is that in the last 20 years, 8 times the index has given higher returns in second half of the calendar year. So these are two trends that we have spotted on the Nifty FMCG Index. But also remember that in yesterday's trading session, Nifty FMCG Index has closed at a record high level. It's a fresh record high coming in for the Nifty FMCG Index of 64,540 on that index. And if you take a look at the last week's trading session, when the global sell-off was at its peak, you had all the Indian indices that had ended last week on a weekly basis in the red. You only had Nifty FMCG that had ended with a 0.3% uptick. But let's understand what is aiding Nifty FMCG right now, because it has been sluggish for quite some time now, but we are seeing some recovery on this index, and a lot of it has to do with the commentary first up that we are getting from some of these FMCG players. They're saying that they're seeing recovery in rural demand, and you have FMCG majors the likes of HUL, ITC, Dabur, Britannia, Nestle and Emami who have started reporting green shoots when it comes to their rural segment. Also, what is aiding Nifty FMCG segment right now is the fall in commodity prices. You have a crude that is lower right now. Arabica coffee prices have dropped the most since May. So that is also a factor that is easing. Remember, you had a heat wave this year, so you have consumer durables as well as ice cream and refreshment sales have gone up this time. Monsoon is looking good. Festive period is up ahead. So, well, all of these factors are aiding Nifty FMCG as of now.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.